Hello Eagle Targeters, welcome back to our channel, where we consistently deliver the latest and fastest updates in the field of current military affairs.
In a strategic move to enhance its air defense capabilities, Italy has officially chosen Rheinmetall's Skynex air defense system. The initial order, valued at €73 million, marks a significant milestone for Rheinmetall Italia S.p.A. in Rome. This contract also includes an option for 3 additional systems, bringing the total potential investment to approximately €280 million. With this acquisition, Italy becomes the first NATO member to adopt the cutting-edge Skynex technology, further solidifying its defense infrastructure against evolving aerial threats. The Skynex system is engineered to counter an array of airborne threats, including missiles, artillery, mortars, drones, and loitering munitions. Designed for both national security and operational contingents deployed in high-risk areas, this state-of-the-art system features a comprehensive structure consisting of a sensor and tracking unit for advanced air surveillance, a command and control center to oversee operations, and 4 35mm Revolver Gun Mk3 cannons delivering a high rate of fire with precision. With a firing cadence of 1,000 rounds per minute and an effective range of up to 4 kilometers, the 35mm guns provide a formidable defensive barrier. The system utilizes programmable ahead ammunition, specifically designed to resist electronic countermeasures and ensure precise target neutralization. Compared to traditional missile-based air defense solutions, Skynex offers superior cost efficiency without compromising performance. The first Skynex system is scheduled for delivery by Q2 2026. If Italy exercises its option for additional systems, these will be procured within 2027. The contract includes not only the weapons system but also the supply of ammunition, training programs for personnel, maintenance services, and spare parts for long-term operational sustainability. By integrating Skynex into its military infrastructure, Italy is positioning itself as a leader in next-generation air defense within the NATO alliance. The global demand for advanced ground-based air defense (GBAD) solutions is steadily increasing. With threats evolving rapidly, military forces worldwide are seeking effective countermeasures against drones, cruise missiles, and other airborne weapons. Market forecasts predict significant investments in GBAD technologies leading up to 2032, with a strong emphasis on modular, flexible, and cost-efficient solutions like Skynex. NATO members are particularly interested in systems that integrate seamlessly with existing defense networks. Skynex's architecture allows for compatibility with Rheinmetall's Skyshield and Skyguard families, enabling a more dynamic and adaptive response to aerial threats. Italy's decision to procure Skynex follows a similar move by Romania, another NATO member, which has adopted the system alongside its existing GDF-009 twin-gun configuration. Additionally, Ukraine has successfully deployed Skynex to protect key assets from enemy drone and missile attacks. The system's effectiveness in active combat zones underscores its reliability and adaptability in real-world scenarios. The Skynex concept is built around a modular design, allowing for easy integration of various sensors and effectors. Italy's chosen configuration includes the XTR 3D radar, capable of monitoring a 50-kilometer radius, further enhancing the system's surveillance capabilities. Beyond air defense, Rheinmetall is strengthening its foothold in Italy's defense industry. The company, in collaboration with Leonardo, is anticipating large-scale contracts for equipping the Italian military with main battle tanks and Lynx armored infantry combat systems. With 3 subsidiaries and approximately 1,500 employees across 5 locations, Rheinmetall generates around €1 billion in annual revenue from its Italian operations. The recent Skynex contract further reinforces Rheinmetall's role as a key player in Italy's military modernization efforts. The growing adoption of Skynex among NATO members signals a shift towards more adaptable and cost-effective air defense strategies. Its modularity, high firepower, and resilience against electronic warfare make it an ideal solution for modern military forces. As the global security landscape evolves, Skynex is poised to become a benchmark for cannon-based air defense systems worldwide. With Italy leading the way, other nations may soon follow in integrating Skynex into their defense arsenals, ensuring superior protection against emerging aerial threats.
Thank you for watching. Hopefully, this show can broaden the knowledge for you and your family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help grow this channel even bigger.